So here we see the top box, the artwork. It will be a huge kit, 68 centimeters. Side view shows the description of the kit, some detailed pictures. So it all looks very nice. Upon opening the box, you see the two big fuselage halves. The detail is quite good, very fine recessed panel lines. Some close-up details showing the quality of the plastic and the details. So upon finishing the kit, it will show just fine. The instruction manual is quite good, very clear print, good booklet. The decals were inside the manual. The print of the decals is very good. You can see the instrument panel. The detail is nice and crisp. This is a interesting part of the kit. It's a reinforcement structure for the fuselage, so that it's positioned good and becomes a sturdy fuselage. Paint instructions, decal instructions, all very good, very easy to understand. The parts are all in big individual plastic bags containing the construction elements, engines, forward fuselage, cockpit area. It's all packed nicely and firmly. My kit arrived without loose parts, so that's a plus for Revell. This is part of the engine sub-assembly. The engines come separately and can be displayed next to the model on the display stand. The detail is nice and will make up for a good model. These are parts of the wing and the engine nacelles. The detail is good. If the camera focuses correctly, so you can see some riveting, some recessed panel lines. So it's all going to be nice and fun to build this one. Conclusion, it's a good kit. The Testor's kit is obsolete from now on. If you want the SR-71, buy the Revell one.